Teen Activity Kit.
This kit contains string, a felt ball, a pipe cleaner, and a large blunted sewing needle. Step 1. Create the arms and legs. Fold one end of the pipe cleaner up and twist it closed. Then fold the long end down, back up, and twist that one closed as well. These are the legs. Repeat those same steps with the arms, twisting as much as you need to keep it tight. Start wrapping the string near the midsection of your body. Go down a limb with wide loops, and on the way back up, you make tighter loops so that there is little to no pipe cleaner left to see. And you repeat this with all the limbs. Once the body is covered with string, thread your needle and push it through the felt ball near its center. This is going to take a bit of effort. Then thread the string under one of the loops near the shoulders of the body. Now your head is loosely attached. Next, push the needle through the felt ball near its surface. And thread the string through a loop near the shoulders to firmly attach. You can repeat this a few times if needed. To wrap your head in string, you'll need to create stitches around the felt ball. So push your needle through the surface of the ball to create some small stitches. And then, when you wrap, make sure you thread your string under those stitches so that they stay attached. When you are done, tie a knot and the string will stay on. Using a different color of thread, you can sew under the loops on the head to create eyes, a mouth, hair, or whatever you like. You can find items on hand to make your monster even more unique.